how's it going? Thank you for joining me. Before I get into today's video, I want to touch base on something very quickly. So as most of you know, we moved and I just need to say it, I just do. If you are one of the ladies and you know who you are that left me a mean comment, I have now blocked you. I'm sorry, but I don't subscribe to meanness, cattiness, dramatics. I just don't. And here's the real caveat. The women that left me mean comments at the end of their comment said, God bless. Think about that for a second. If you're a Christian, the Bible teaches us not to judge others. And just because somebody enjoys the spirit, the adventure of moving, somehow that's a bad thing. That's a real bad thing. There are people that love to stay put in their house and set down roots, and they stay there their whole lives. There are some in the middle ground that like to move here and there, but not that often. And then there are those of us who are more extreme that enjoy where the wind takes us. We love the thrill of a new adventure. And you know what? What I would say is if God is blessing us with the means to be able to do that, and we enjoy it, and we're making memories as a family, there is absolutely nothing wrong with that. Nothing. Believe it or not, I had a couple ladies say, Liz, are you moving just for content? I mean, come on, are you serious? Seriously, think about that for a second. How many people can afford to do that? I said we moved because my husband's work brought us here. I mean, some people. Another lady said I must be bored or so lonely. I mean, my goodness, the judgment. It's unbelievable. I have said so many times before, we love the thrill of a new adventure. I cannot emphasize that more clearly. And there's people that have left me comments saying that they're in the military and they get it. They get me because when they get a new assignment, they actually look forward to hearing what their new assignment is and where they're gonna go and where they're gonna land. It's not that crazy of a concept, but for some people, it's an assumption after assumption after assumption. So for those people, you can think whatever you want. I'm an open book. I have told you why we have moved, and it is what it is. But I will not tolerate mean cattiness. I don't play on the mean girls' playground. So if you want to go that route, I'm just going to block you, and I hate to do it. I really do. But funny thing is, this happens every single time we move. And I say it all the time. It's our thing. It's what we enjoy. You want to know something? Life is short. It's very short. And if you hold back and don't do the things you want to do, you will have regrets. And our family, we embrace change. We embrace going to different places and experiencing everything that state has to offer. Again, there's nothing wrong with it. Nothing at all. And I make no apologies. And if they don't like it, bye. And to all of you who left me wonderful comments saying, I'm so happy for you and your family. Literally, I was touched by your comments because you get it, you know me, and you know it's something we enjoy. I know somebody loves something with all of their heart and it's something they thoroughly enjoy. I get right behind them and I'm their biggest cheerleader. And so for all of you who left me wonderful, sweet, supportive comments, and you all know who you are, thank you. Thank you, it means a lot to me. So too, my house is completely done. It's completely decorated. I jammed through the weekend. It's something I enjoy and I'm loving every bit of it. However, I do need some more furniture and I do need some more decor. So I'm gonna have to go back to the other house and kind of take a few things to kind of supplement over here. But otherwise, I am loving it. We're gonna start out over here at the coffee bar. I don't do like a full-on coffee bar because we just drink straight up coffee and cream and that's it. We don't do pumps or sugar or any of that stuff. So anyway, it's very basic, but it's cute and festive for fall. Okay, this is where we are working right there. You can see there's a little wine fridge there, but this is where we keep the coffee maker right there. I'm going in with this basket tray. If you guys know me, I always love to sit my coffee maker in a tray. That way, when it's time to make coffee, I can just pull it out and then push it back in. Next, I'm going in with this coffee maker. I got this at Walmart. I believe it's Drew Barrymore's line of products, white with the gold handle. And at the Loft department, I have the black one with the gold handle. Next, I'm going in with my cute little cage lamp from Amazon. Have to have my ambiance. Next, I got this cute little woven pumpkin from Walmart. We're gonna use this just as a backdrop. And then this cute little pumpkin candle that I found on Amazon. I believe it comes in orange and white. Okay, now over here I have this little ladder with a green and white striped tea towel. And I'm gonna set that over there and create a little vignette with this. By the way, I already did a video on this at our Loft apartment in Pittsburgh. If you missed that video, these are 2 Walmart trays. I'll link them in the product section of this video. It'll be right here. Then I added eucalyptus from Amazon, along with these velvet pumpkins, also from Amazon. And it almost gives the appearance as if these pumpkins are sitting in a trunk. Like a little decorative trunk, because you can see the little handles right here. It's very cute, very, very cute for any tabletop. And now we're gonna put a vignette in this. So I have 2 of these and 2 of these. Together, they look amazing. And then right here in this little corner, I put a Hobby Lobby tree in one of their planter pots that you can get in that section. And I think it looks really cute to kind of fill in that little space. Thanks for joining me. I hope you guys enjoyed my short little video, and come back and see me on Wednesday because we will be working on the kitchen, and boy, does it look cute. See you guys. Mwah. Bye, guys.